Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 28 May 2018, 05 of hour, 44 of minute and 39 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, which is better, raw or boiled egg? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about which is better, raw or boiled egg. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about which is better, raw or boiled egg. That means a raw egg would only provide 3 grams of digestible protein, compared to eating a whole cooked egg, which contains almost 6 grams of protein. Cooking eggs to temperatures of 160 degrees or above, or until the yolk is firm or fully cooked, will kill salmonella and reduce risk of food poisoning. Last update June 15, 2017. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.